you ever wanted to get in on cryptocurrency? Welcome to Finan, where money is made easy, and we'll help you get started. Here you will learn how to earn around $21 to $48 daily through crypto passively. What's better is, you can start today once you finish and apply all we're going to teach you. What are you waiting for? Let's go! As you are most probably aware, anyone may earn money by mining cryptocurrency. Basically, there are three methods for mining cryptocurrencies. GPU mining is the most popular and successful method, or at least it's the one that will be discussed today. GPU mining is actually a complicated technique that involves solving equations primarily using graphic cards in order to earn money. However, you should be aware that mining Ethereum is now the most profitable. Bitcoin mining is no longer possible, and Ethereum mining can get you the most bucks. Let us first demonstrate how much money you might make each day if you started mining right now, and then we can discuss the main topic of this video. Let's say you have $10,000 and want to use it to purchase mining gear. Looking at the RTX 3080 graphics card on eBay, you will see that it costs about $800 to $1,000. So, for $10,000, you could get roughly 8 RTX 3080 graphics cards, as you will need some additional items to make a functioning miner. This is only a rough estimate, and keep in mind that the 3080 might not be the most optimal GPU to utilize for mining. You can really determine how much power these GPUs produce if you visit whattomine.com. According to the website, after paying for the electricity, you may earn roughly $13.50 per day by mining Ethereum with 8 GPUs. So, you may earn $13.50 per day, $405 per month, and $4,860 per year if you can maintain the mining rig operational for a full day. As a result, you won't receive your $10,000 investment for approximately 2 years. After that, you will essentially receive whatever you were making from the mining equipment and still retain the GPUs, which you may perhaps sell if you so want. Who will purchase those? Who knows, but it's all up to you. Wait a minute, $405 a month doing absolutely nothing? Sounds a bit too good to be true, right? Unfortunately, it actually is. This is a concern since Ethereum will transition from proof of work to proof of stake in a few months. Ethereum currently uses a proof of work algorithm to operate. It simply means that in order for Ethereum to function, users must come with computational power and verify the transactions on the blockchain. Miners can help in the situation. To validate these transactions, miners essentially use their computing capacity to solve equations. That is how proof of work functions. But about a year ago, Ethereum's founder declared that Ethereum will evolve into Ethereum 2. Proof of stake will be used to operate Ethereum 2.0. This effectively indicates that mining Ethereum won't be possible anymore. The Ethereum founder believes that this will be far better for the currency, the technology, and the environment. But that's not really his main goal, is it? So, have in mind how proof of work required a lot of processing power in order to verify the transactions. In proof of stake, however, the system requires that the users own certain quantities of Ethereum in order for their transactions to be validated. The procedure is being oversimplified by this. However, you should be aware that you may stake your own Ethereum right away and estimate your potential earnings. With Ethereum staking, the current APR is 4.1%. Do you still recall that mining Ethereum would get you about $4,860 if you had $10,000? So if you had $10,000 and staked Ethereum, your annual income would only be $10,410. So there's definitely a big difference. The fact that Ethereum switched from proof of work to proof of stake does not, however, exclude you from mining other coins, which is excellent news for those who already own a mining setup. The fact that individuals will start mining other coins after Ethereum switches to version 2.0, however, may not be good news for those who have just begun investing in mining rigs. This will greatly raise the difficulty of mining other coins. Therefore, it will significantly lower profitability. Make sense? Now, here we will introduce an upcoming project that has a bright future and you should consider it while it's still new. Cubo Money. Wait, what is Cubo? Cubo is a node project. Now we don't want to spend too much time discussing nodes, miners, their distinctions, and how the blockchain functions. What you need to know is that investing in the Cubo node will guarantee steady returns. It functions in a certain way where you pay a certain sum of a certain node from a certain list. That definitely is a lot to take in, but depending on the node you received, you get compensated every day. By spending $2,450, for instance, you could make almost $9 per day in a fully passive manner. It is fairly similar to purchasing a mining rig and using it to mine, along with staking, but it's also quite different. This is not mining. This is a very large disclaimer. Furthermore, though this may not be mining, it could still be risky, but we'll teach you ways on how to reduce the hazards. So, the way this works is that you buy Cubo and then use it to buy a node that generates a set amount of Cubo for you to claim every day. Then, swap that for Ethereum or Bitcoin. In order to further understand or explore their alternatives, you may visit the Cubo.money website. Blank Cubo is the least expensive choice, then the investment increases along with higher returns until you reach Giga Cubo. As of August 2022, one Cubo costs roughly $0.09. It could really increase as crypto regulation is looming, but we'll use $0.09 as a basis. Additionally, assuming the Cubo price stays the same over the course of a year, you'll make $3,240 or 1.3 times your initial investment. But that is the major caveat. Since this is a cryptocurrency, the price of Cubo might increase or decrease. Before we move on, let's make an apples to apples comparison here. We started with $10,000 to invest in crypto and learned that simply buying $10,000 of ETH and staking it would earn you $410 in 1 year with a current APR of 4.1%. If you took the same $10,000 and got all in on Cubo, you would have 4 Giga Cubo nodes and a potential annual revenue of $12,960. That's a potential profit of $3,160, almost 8 times more profit than you would receive by staking ETH. Now, whether you conclude that this is a good or bad idea relies on whether Cubo's price will increase or decrease. That depends on how the project is managed, what is on the roadmap, and what they have planned to do. If your investment isn't performing as well as you had hoped it would at some point, that doesn't imply it won't after the team makes the necessary adjustments. But you guys should still properly examine it and conduct your own research before you invest any money in this initiative. It definitely is a promising project, but you should still familiarize yourself with what's in it to better understand how it can help you make money. Always stay focused on learning and developing discipline. Get educated, make a plan, and stay the course. If you found this informative, smash the like button, please share it with a friend, comment down below, and let us know what would you like to have made finance simple next. And definitely subscribe so you don't miss new content. Keep your head up, ears open, and always search for knowledge. See you soon!